What's good, YouTube? What's good, people? What's going on? How's everybody doing? I guess you guys had a wonderful trading week, and I guess that you're using this weekend to prepare yourselves for the next trading week. This is your boy Harlan, and I'm back with another video. Today's video gonna be our weekly trading outlook for the coming week. I keep on forgetting the date, guys, but please bear with me. But it's for the coming week. You will see the thumbnail, right, and the headline and the what you'll call it, the topic, right? So before we get any further with the video, make sure you like on the video, you subscribe to the channel, you share the video, you comment on the video, click the links to sign up with the brokers that I use. And if you're looking to check my recent day in the life vlog, where I took a clean trade on the NAS, and I will share a trade idea on the trade breakdown concerning that trade, right? If you want to check that day in the life vlog, I've left a link on my description. And if you're looking for a legitimate Forex trading course, COT Academy came up with two programs, having the in-person course and having the mentorship the virtual one. So you can choose which one do you wanna work on? Do you prefer being in person, learning in person, or do you wanna use Zoom sessions, or do you wanna use virtual calls or conferences to do it? You choose, and let COT Academy do the rest from there. But without further ado, I pray that you do what's right and that you stay out the lane. Let me just say this, James, and be out, right? So we're starting off on the NAS, guys. You guys can clearly see the NAS. We have our resistance, right? And we have some type of support that prices created, right, for some time. And we're having multiple confirmations that price has been breaking out and breaking back above, breaking below and breaking back above. And now we've kind of like broke below, right? So with that being said, on the NAS, you can tell that our structure or our move on our current price be bearish, right? From price being bullish, we somehow turned and became bearish, right? So I'm saying wait for confirmation because you can tell that price is below our zone, right? But based on price action, price has been breaking out and breaking back above. Do you guys get that? So if it happens that obviously with price holding those lows, if we can get a violation further to the downside by price breaking below our zones, those intraday lows that price has been printing out, we might continue moving to the downside. But if it happens that we stay above this zone, then we simply are looking to be bullish. Do you guys get that? But I'm waiting for confirmation for now. Are we gonna stay below or might price move above and trade bullish? That's the confirmation we're waiting for. So we move on the next, right? So looking at my second pair, which is gold. Gold, you can also tell that obviously how price is right now, it's something else, right? Because you can tell that obviously price is doing what is in a bullish uptrend, holding our higher highs and our higher lows. But you can tell that price has done what has created some type of intraday support zone. Do you guys get that? Or a zone that price has been failing to break below and has been holding to be bullish while it stayed above, right? So for the coming week, my trade idea will be very simple. If price stays above this very same zone, then it would happen that I'm looking to be bullish. But if price stays below, then it's simple. We're having a break and we simply wait for a retest and we look forward for price to continue moving to the downside. Because if you clearly look, price has been failing to break below with multiple rejections. You can even tell, guys. And once price pushed further to the downside, and how price action is looking now. If price falls breaking below this very same zone, will look to be bullish. But if price gets a break above, a break below, then I guess we do it. We'll be bearish, and that will be it, as clean as it has to be. You guys get that? So we move right. That's our dead pair, USD CAD. So USD CAD, I need to zoom out a little so I can explain everything with you guys so you can understand, right? So USD CAD, you can tell that price has this major resistance, right? This 4-hour major resistance, right? So price action now, we had a push and an exhaustion, we had a push and an exhaustion, and now we are on a push. So if you look now what happened on price go to our resistance, you can tell that we closed with a pin bar candlestick, and holding this pin bar candlestick, and holding this very same candlestick, I can tell that all I'll be looking for the coming week will be very simple because we're now below our resistance. We're now below our major 4-hour resistance, but our structure is still bullish. If it happens that price gets a violation continuing with price action, then we're simply going to have a what? A simple break and retest, and we look to continue moving to the upside, meaning our dollar might be having more strength. Do you guys get that? But if price fails to break above this very same zone and we stay below our major resistance, then we're simply taking what? Taking this bear move based on what? On price failing to break above our major resistance and price giving us signs of the dollar weakness and the Canadian dollar strength, and then we look to be bearish. But if we get a break above, then it simply means that the bullish strength, we still are holding it. Then it clearly means that dollar still has more strength. We're looking to move bullish. Do you guys get that? And if, guys, you're looking for a legitimate Forex trading course, I repeat, if you want to learn how we capitalize and how we base everything and how we keep up with the skill and with the consistency, you guys need to click on this link. You guys need to text this number or call this number and send an inquiry, and let's UT Academy do the rest from there. You guys get that. So this is my trade idea on USD CAD. If price has a break above our major 4-hour resistance, we continue bullish. If we get a full to break, then we just be bearish. Do you guys get that? So we move. Those go up on the Tesla, but the nigga staying down. Like the nigga stock staying down on the markets. You guys know that, right? So Tesla, guys, will be very simple. I don't have a trade idea even now. Like I said, I haven't found a clean tradable setup on Tesla this year. So it's hard for me to share some information with you guys. Not to say I don't see anything, but it's mainly based that there's nothing for me to share. And when there's nothing for me to share, then I won't share BS with you guys because I believe in you guys and I trust you guys, right? So Tesla, I don't have a trade idea. But I said it's hard for me to share a trade idea with you guys because it's still bearish. Yeah, like I don't have confirmation, I would say. And obviously, with me not having confirmation, my trade idea will be unveiled until I get something I can share with you guys. Do you guys get that? So there's nothing to say which line on Tesla. Last but not least, we're having Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, I also don't think I would share a trade idea because this week, we spoke about price having to violate what? Our highs. So it happened that price did break above and broke below. So once we broke above and broke below, it's a fail to break, meaning we still are holding those highs and price did what? Moved to the downside. So I can still hold that if we violate the zone, this highs, the zone, whatever you call it, we can still continue bullish. But if we violate our what? Our major all-time high resistance, then I guess we'd have to be bearish. But I'm waiting for confirmation. That's what I can share with you guys for now. Do you guys get that? I'm waiting for confirmation. You guys get that? So this is what I'll be looking for in my trade idea on my weekly outlook. Not looking for much, not looking for less. Just making sure that we keep it sweet, simple, legit, and straight with you guys. I keep it the way it has to be because that's how it has to be. There's nothing else that I can say. But without further ado, I appreciate the love, I appreciate the support, I appreciate every day. I just want to see you guys win as much as I'm winning. Let's win the training week and let's keep it alive and let's make some profits and let's change our lives and let's better ourselves all the time. Without further ado, this is your boy Hello. That's all I got on this video.